How to cure eye floaters naturally, exploring natural approaches. How to alleviate eye floaters. Eye floaters, those tiny specks of various shape that seem to drift across your field of vision. It can be a common and harmless occurrence. Eye floaters can also be bothersome and impact visual clarity. I want to share some natural strategies that can potentially provide relief from eye floaters. Understanding eye floaters. Eye floaters are actually tiny clumps of collagen or protein that form in the gel-like substance within the vitreous, the clear fluid that fills the inside of your eye. These floaters cast shadow on the retina, leading to the perception of spots or lines drifting across your vision. Natural approaches to alleviate eye floaters. First, eye exercises. Gentle eye exercises like up, left, right, circular eye movement. Accommodative eye exercises focusing on near and distant objects can stimulate the eye muscles, potentially helping to break up floater clamps, especially circular movements like we mixing protein in a shaker. It can help to dissolve eye floaters naturally. Get rid of accommodative spasms, which are the main cause of eye floaters. Spasmodic oblique eye muscle put eyeballs under pressure like a super tight belt, and it deforms the eyeball shape. We need to free up eyeballs from eye muscle spasm to avoid eye floaters and improve eye health. Eye training online course Eyesight Academy with the best eye exercises to remove accommodative spasms. A link in the description below. Third, avoid eye strain. Prolonged screen time and eye strain can increase the number of eye floaters. Take regular breaks and avoid digital eye strain. All of those eye strain can cause eye problems. Our eyes need to be fresh and healthy. We need to keep our eyes relaxed and our eye muscle flexible without spasms. Fourth, blink regularly. Consistent soft blinking can help keep the vitreous fluid from moving, reducing the likelihood of floater clumping. Blinking can reduce eye strain and help the eyes to focus. It only benefits from blinking. Fifth, mindful stress reduction. Chronic stress can impact eye health. Engaging in stress-reducing practices like meditation may have a positive effect on eye floaters. Without stress, the body will function better and recover better. Conclusion. Simple, natural approaches can potentially help to reduce eye floaters. If you notice sudden changes in the number or appearance of floaters along with flashes or of light or vision loss, seek immediate medical attention, as this could indicate more serious issues like retinal detachment. Ultimately, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, staying hydrated and practicing eye care habits can improve your overall eye health and potentially reduce the annoyance of eye floaters.